The blower motor can run during a fault condition even with the burners off because the control board intentionally powers it to prevent dangerous heat buildup. The control board monitors temperature and limit switches and will run the blower to move air away from heat sources when it detects a fault that could allow excessive heat to accumulate. This feature protects heat exchangers, cabinet components, and nearby combustible materials by maintaining airflow until temperatures return to safe ranges. If a high limit or secondary limit opens, the board will assume restricted airflow or a stuck burner condition and energize the blower even though ignition is disabled. To troubleshoot, start by checking the limit switches and duct or filter restrictions because the board is responding to sensed overheating or poor ventilation. Measure supply and return air temperatures with a thermometer and compare to the equipment specifications to see if the system is actually overheating. Once you restore proper airflow and correct any blocked vents or failed limits, the blower should stop running and the control board will return to normal sequence. Common mistakes include assuming the running blower means the control board is faulty, which often leads to unnecessary replacement. Verify limits and airflow first and only replace the board after eliminating other causes. Another frequent issue is overlooking dirty filters or closed dampers that reduce airflow and cause the board to trigger the blower. Clean or replace filters and set dampers properly to resolve this. People sometimes clear a fault without addressing the underlying cause and the problem returns. Restore limits, repair any failed parts, and run the system long enough to confirm temperatures stabilize before declaring the issue fixed. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listing tools. We also host a discussion community where users share real experiences, troubleshooting tips, and recommendations related to furnace faults and other home projects.